Next one is the reference. All of the reference of this course can be found on this link over here. Whenever we have the activity or the worksheet related to the use of the reference, I will direct you to go here and just use those reference. Those reference will be available in the exam as well. So be familiar with the location of these reference. And the next one is the software. In this course, we're gonna use some of the software, such as this software to calculate the shear and bending moment diagram. You guys will also need to use Bluebeam in this course as well. This is the download link. Make sure you download the correct version, that is Bluebeam 20, not 21. And then you can enter the serial and product key over here. This one will be used for the course project. Next one is of the meeting over here. Actually, this one is not meeting. I need to change that. This one is this is a week lesson. You're gonna have 10 week. So each week, you're gonna click on over here, and then you will read to see what is the learning objective of this week. Watch some of the video in the week over here to understand some of the fundamental concept. Usually those videos are quite short, so just quickly click on those videos, skimming through to get the idea about the fundamental concept of the course. And after you watch those video, then I want you to click on each of the worksheet over here. You have all the problem over here. What I want you to do is to get a sheet of paper and then answer all of these problems. It looks hard, so that's why I have the video to guide you how to do that. So when you click on the video over here, it will have my explanation how to work on each of the problem. You just go through that, all of that, and then it will explain to you how to answer all of these questions. You just mimic the same thing, and then you just submit the worksheet over here. Submit your answer here. Like I say, the grading for the worksheet just have 3 grade, 5 point, 3 point, and 0. Okay. So make sure you scan that one in PDF, or you can just take a photo for worksheet. I'm not very strict on that. You just take a photo or scan that or PDF that, whatever thing, or you can type that if we have some of the short question. You can also type that as well. I allow you to do that. So make sure you guys submit the worksheet. All of this one will be 15% a point. So make sure whenever you see the worksheet, watch the video and then submit it. After you watch all of the video in the worksheet, then you will start taking the quiz for that week. For example, you click here, and then it will direct you to the quiz of week 1. It's gonna have 23. For example, this one will have 23 points, which is 23 questions. It looks a lot, but actually some of the questions over here are very simple. For example, you can click review over here. You can see that some question can be like how many yards for 400 inches. So if you watch the video, you can quickly learn and answer those questions very easy. This one, the time limit is 90 minutes. And this one is open note. You can open some of the video over here, put that aside in one side of the screen, and then open the quiz on another side of the screen, and then work with the quiz. And then you have the assignment. The assignment, you just click here, click on the assignment, and then you will address all of these problems. These problems are very similar to, again, these problems are very similar to the worksheet. So make sure you watch all of the worksheet first, and then you just mimic that and apply to this problem. the deadline for the quiz and the assignment usually is the Sunday of that week. For example, this is week 1 will end on the 18th. So then you click here, and then this assignment will end at the 18th. And then after that, on the same time, you can do the discussion board. So you have 2 submission you need to complete. Don't worry, this one is very simple. Just click on discussion board, and then the first question will be always the same, is what is the median point you have in this week. For example, you can type I don't know how to use calculator to do the unit conversion. You can just click reply over here, type I don't, for example, like that, no something, and then just that's it. The question number 1. Question number 2 is to submit a photo, usually some short answer. For example, over here I ask you to find a photo about the structural support in real life. You can just Google structural support in real life, just click on images, and then you can type like pin connection. There's a lot. This is the video I got actually. There's also many other video. For example, this one also pin connection. This one is a fixed connection. So just copy the video here, copy image, and then paste that one over here. That is the answer for question 2. Okay, and then just type this one is pin connection. Okay. Oh, sorry, this one is fixed connection actually. My bad. Fixed connection. And then question 3, you can just explain some of the, just share some of your point to the question over here. So just write something to answer this one, at least 50 words. So this is your first pause. It's first pause. It's not difficult, so just go ahead and pause that. The second pause will be due on Sunday. You see over here Sunday, and what is that? This is just the same thing over here. So you see all the people pause something, and then you just reply to them. For example, one student asks I don't know how to do unit conversion for inches to yard. And then if you know that how to answer that question, just click reply to that student and say, if you want to do that, just check the video of Dr. Chow. We have 1 yard equal to 3 feet, and 3 feet equal to 36 inches, for example, like that. And I require you to provide at least 2 responses to at least 2 pause, okay, to any 2 pause. After you reply to 2 pause over here, then you should get full credit for the discussion. That is 5%. So discussion over here is simple. Worksheet over here is simple. So make sure to complete those things. Okay. The quiz over here require you to pay a little bit attention to the video of the worksheet, so you can apply that to the quiz, also the assignment. But the worksheet and the discussion is very simple, so make sure you watch those. Sometimes some of the week I will have additional thing over here. For example, introduction to the course project. So you guys need to watch those video to get started with the project, to meet with the team and discuss how to work on the course project. This one is the classroom and textbook. We in this course we don't have this one is not synchronous course. This one is asynchronous, so which means that basically you guys just watch the video and then follow up the step required in the video and to submit the requirement. However, I also create two day, Wednesday and then Thursday from 11:30 to 12 in at noon, and I will open the Zoom link on those days. So if you have any question, have any struggle, just join the Zoom link on those days. That can be considered like office hour as well. Depending on your time, if you have difficult time to join those Zoom link, just let me know, and then later on I can modify those time so it's easy for everyone to meet with me, to see me on the Zoom link. At the end over here, if you took the class with me before, you're gonna know that the end over here I put the course summary, so which means it will have all the deadline of the thing over here. Whenever you see the deadline over here, you see the assignment, just go ahead, click on that and complete it. Okay, complete it. Just get it done to finish.